Hi, my name is Bhavin Pandya. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Games 24/7. We run India's largest online rummy platform, Rummy Circle, and second largest fantasy sports platform, My 11 Circle. Let me start with an analogy here, right? If I go to the movies and if I want to have some popcorn, where do I get the popcorn from? From the confectionery stand that's right outside the movie theater, right? Similarly, when we were thinking about who the right partners for us were, we went back to see what our real vision was, right? And our vision was to become the platform of choice for fantasy sports enthusiasts all over the country. And what better way to do that than to partner with Disney Plus Hotstar, which broadcasts the most premier cricketing tournaments throughout the year. It was simply amazing. They were true partners all along. They assured us that the kind of support that we would get, the kind of visibility that we would get would be second to none. And they were absolutely right. The first phase was the pre-IPL campaign, where we really went out and gave the brand message that this is the destination to come and engage in fantasy cricket. Once the IPL started for 2 weeks, everyone who was watching the IPL on Disney Plus Hotstar knew about My 11 Circle and that was really the destination of choice to play fantasy cricket. When you try and make a splash for the IPL, it is very important that brand recall is something that you think about and you focus on when you're trying to design your marketing campaign, right? Every time when the IPL starts, because of this whole COVID period where there had not been any cricket for a long time, people are extremely engaged. When that interest is maximum during the first 2-3 weeks, that's when you want to capture your audience, because that is your most relevant audience when it comes to fantasy sports. Now with Disney Plus Hotstar, what we achieved was beyond our wildest imagination. So you watch the game, the live cricket game that is happening, the IPL game, on your mobile phone, and you play the fantasy cricket game also on your mobile phone, right? So there is a fantastic synergy there. We were obviously expecting that we would increase our user count, our player count by 30 to 40%, maybe 50%, but the results were truly fascinating. We increased our player engagement and our player count by a staggering 100%. Right? And thanks to Disney Plus Hotstar, that was possible. In one word, exceptionally bright. Well, that was 2 words, but my point is that that OTT platforms have a very, very bright future for multiple reasons. One is our population, 2 is the cheap internet that we have, and 3 is the proliferation of mobile phones in our country. The latest and the greatest movies, TV shows, live sports is available on OTT platforms these days, and so people don't need to go anywhere. And therefore, I believe OTT platforms have a very, very bright future in India today. I think OTT is a great marketing tool, right? The biggest reason for that is its relevance. Today, these OTT platforms capture information about who their target audience really is. And therefore, based on the products that are being advertised, you can target the right kind of consumers for those products. And therefore, I truly believe that OTT platforms are a very, very good marketing tool, as they make sure that crisp messages are sent to the right people who will consume the product that is being advertised. Absolutely. 2020 has certainly been a driver for digital video, right? And fortunately or unfortunately, the biggest reason for that is the COVID pandemic, right? If you think about it, during the early months of the lockdown, people were confined to their 4 walls and they couldn't do anything outside. And therefore, that's when, you know, OTT platforms and online games came to the rescue, where they had something else to do than just, you know, be bored, if I may say so. Now, as the lockdown obviously has eased, we consume OTT platforms a lot more than we used to consume them, and I think that this year 2020 has truly played a part in making that happen. Okay, am I standing properly? Yeah.
What's your marketing mantra?
Relevance. You have to show the right kind of advertisements to the right kind of people, and I think that's really my marketing mantra.
Leadership wisdom for younger generation.
To be able to lead, you have to be healthy, right? And so take care of your health. That's what I would say.
Favorite shows on Disney Plus Hotstar?
My favorite show on Disney Plus Hotstar is the EPL. I don't really support any club per se. I just like to watch football. I thought Liverpool was very impressive last season. I think Man City is doing really well this season.
The most challenging part of your job?
To try and understand how people think, right? Because if I can understand how people think, then I can really offer awesome game playing experiences to them.
What comes to your mind when we say these words? IPL,
Cricket,
digital video,
all around us,
programmatic,
our lives today,
branding,
identity generator,
cricket,
love it,
Disney Plus Hotstar.
trustworthy.